Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, so it is keto cocktail. Yes, I'm a day late. As you can see, Halloween is gone. The house is quite empty because I will be doing Christmas this weekend, starting anyways. And it's gonna be a lot of fun because there's gonna be about 4 trees for the first time. So prepare for that video. But today, it's keto cocktail, it's fall. November, here we are. All right, so what are the ingredients and what is the cocktail? Pumpkin spice martini. So let's get started. Let's talk about the ingredients, you guys. So the first thing is I have a pumpkin vodka. Now, if you don't want to go out and buy a whole thing of pumpkin vodka, I totally get it. Here's 3 choices. You could do a pumpkin vodka, you could do a plain vodka, and then a vanilla syrup. This is 0 carbs. Or you could go ahead and do a vanilla vodka. We're still going to use this syrup because we need to make it sweet. And you could do a canned puree. You could do some pureed pumpkin. Pureed pumpkin has carbs, so I'm trying to do it without having to do the pumpkin, if that makes sense. We are going to use some rum. This is a spiced rum. Remember, this is a spiced pumpkin martini. We also have pumpkin pie spice. Heavy cream, which has 0 carbs. Look though, because not each one is equal. Some will have 1 carb. I mean, that's not a big deal, but if you can find the one that has 0, why not do the 0? We talked about the vanilla syrup. You know, this Torani. You could buy everything. Remember that beautiful cocktail that I made with the gin? Oh, 1903 Empress 1903 gin. Beautiful cocktail. And I used the blue raspberry syrup. Same thing. This is vanilla, 0 carbs. You need you also need whipped cream. I'll show a picture of it here. And what you do is just make little dollops, freeze it, put a little pumpkin pie spice on before you freeze it. And the other ingredient is 1 little tiny sliver of graham cracker. So when you have a whole graham cracker, you're taking that quarter and you're not even using it all. Let's get started. So this cocktail going. So the first thing I'm going to do is use a little small shallow dish. Put a little bit of vanilla in, just a small amount. This is just gonna help me wet the glass to rim it. In the little graham cracker, this is literally 1/4 of a whole graham cracker. So you know how they're broken up? It's 1/4, and we're not even gonna use it all. I'm gonna just sprinkle some pumpkin pie spice in there. Let's do this. Let me move things around here. All right, so just sprinkle in a little pumpkin pie spice. All right, and we're gonna take our little glass. We're just gonna use the vanilla syrup. I'm just gonna go very light and then all around the edge. And as you can see, we hardly touched it, but look at the glass. So pretty, the graham cracker. So that's off. Now, we're gonna do heavy cream, you guys. So we're gonna do a cream mixture. So I want 2 ounces of heavy whipping cream. And I want 1 ounce of the vanilla syrup. And I want some pumpkin pie spice. Y'all, this is gonna taste just like pumpkin pie right here. This alone. Then we're going to take our little frother and just froth away. Now, you don't want whipped cream because we already have that. You want it pourable, but it's going to be a layered drink to start with. So we're just going to mix this up until it is only going to take a second. You can see how thick that is already. And that is beautiful. I'm going to set that aside. Now, shaker. With ice, going to add 2 ounces of pumpkin pie vodka. Then we're gonna take a little bit of the Captain Morgan spiced rum, and we only need only half an ounce. It's just gonna give it a little bit of flavor. Then we're gonna take the vanilla syrup. We're gonna do 1 ounce. We're layering flavors, you guys. A little more pumpkin pie spice. And you know the drill, we're gonna do a little bit of shaking. We are nice and chilled. Into the glass it goes. Take our cream and vanilla, and we're gonna pour that on top. And then, remember those cute little dollops of whipped cream? Here they are here. Now we're just going to, you can have big ones, small ones, little ones. They look adorable. So pretty. I think I'm gonna do, should I do one on top of the other one? Ugh, gorgeous. And then take a little more of that pumpkin pie spice. Just give it a little drizzle there, and there you have it. The drill. As beautiful as a cocktail may be, we're definitely going to give it a try. Now, we have this beautiful layered effect, obviously. So we're gonna try it with the layer separated, okay? Because what's gonna happen is the alcohol is all down here, right? So it's gonna have to come through the creaminess that tastes like pumpkin pie. Let's try. It's delicious. It is delicious. So you have the pumpkin vodka, which really when you smell it, literally tastes like pumpkin. A little bit of the spice Captain Morgan just adds that warmth and that little bit of spice that you want, you know, that little bit of fall to it, right? And then of course the cream with the vanilla and the pumpkin pie spice. I mean, it tastes like a pumpkin pie. I mean, you're drinking a pumpkin pie, except very little carbs in it. Hello. The only thing you have to worry about is one of those things touching your nose. Now, let's give it a little swirl at the bottom. So we'll swirl it just at the bottom, which literally means you've not changed the beauty of the top. Do you see that? The top is still gorgeous. It's beautiful. Now, I mean, this is wonderful. If you want it a little sweeter, because I'm always here for you. Guys, I'm here for you. If you want it a little bit sweeter, you could either leave out the Captain Morgan, but I think that adds a good flavor, or you could what I would do is up the vanilla syrup. It's 0 carbs. Up it. That's dangerous. What I do, y'all, is take a recipe that I might see online and go, okay, how can I make this keto, right? How can I make this keto? Pumpkin puree is not keto. I mean, there's no getting around it. Now, if we're only using a tablespoon or something like that, okay, I'm with you. However, with this, literally with, no, 0, 0, 0, there are no carbs in this. 0. Alcohol does not have carbs. That, you know, it's a whole thing. Okay, they have alcohol, carbs, they don't count. Heavy cream that I use is 0. The vanilla syrup is 0. This is a 0. Knock yourself out. The heavy cream, 0. Whipped cream, 0. I think maybe there might be 1. Oh, no, but there's a couple from, I shouldn't say, there's a couple from the graham cracker, and you can leave that out. You can leave that out, and what would be really good, it just dawned on me, is crush up some pecans, pumpkin pie pecan, yes. Crush up some pecans and rim the glass in that. Just saying, just saying. But we're doing a pumpkin, spiced pumpkin martini. All right, you guys, well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, take a moment, hit the thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. Cheers, and here's to November. See you soon. Bye, guys.